In the current business environment, where cloud solutions and integrated workflows are the norm, the ability of different software platforms to talk to each other is paramount. Many organizations are deeply invested in the Microsoft ecosystem, utilizing tools like Outlook for email, Teams for collaboration, Excel for data analysis, and SharePoint for document management. Naturally, when considering a work management platform like Smartsheet, a crucial question arises for project managers and business leaders. Does Smartsheet work with Microsoft? As a project management expert, I can emphatically state that Smartsheet works exceptionally well with Microsoft products, offering a robust suite of integrations designed to enhance collaboration, streamline workflows, and centralize information. This seamless interoperability is one of Smartsheet's key strengths, allowing businesses to leverage their existing Microsoft investments while gaining the powerful work management capabilities of Smartsheet. Let's explore the various ways Smartsheet integrates with the Microsoft ecosystem. 1. Microsoft Office 365. Now Microsoft 365. Integration. The core connection. Smartsheet's connection to Microsoft 365 is deep and multifaceted, covering the most commonly used applications. Microsoft Teams. This is perhaps one of the most impactful integrations for modern project teams. Smartsheet for Microsoft Teams allows users to embed Smartsheet assets, pin sheets, reports, and dashboards as tabs directly within Teams channels, providing instant access to project status and data. Receive notifications. Get Smartsheet alerts, reminders, and update requests directly in Teams channels or as direct messages, eliminating the need to switch applications. Submit update requests. Team members can review and submit Smartsheet update requests directly from Teams, ensuring real-time data capture. Turn conversations into action. Discussions in Teams can be seamlessly converted into Smartsheet tasks or comments, ensuring that decisions and action items are captured and tracked. This integration is a game-changer for collaboration, reducing context switching and keeping conversations tied to the actual work. Outlook. The Smartsheet for Outlook add-in allows users to create and edit rows, add new tasks, or update existing rows in Smartsheet directly from an email in Outlook. Perfect for capturing requests or updating status on the fly. Send update requests. Easily send update requests for Smartsheet items via email. Attach emails to rows. Link email conversations directly to specific tasks or projects in Smartsheet for complete context. Excel. Given Smartsheet's familiar spreadsheet-like interface, its integration with Excel is highly intuitive. Import, export data. Users can easily import existing Excel files into Smartsheet to kickstart projects or export Smartsheet data to Excel for further analysis or specific reporting needs. Live Data Connector, ODBC for advanced users and reporting. Smartsheet offers an ODBC connector that allows live data connections to Excel, enabling dynamic dashboards and reports in Excel that pull real-time data from Smartsheet. Automation via Power Automate/Zapier automate data synchronization between Excel and Smartsheet, ensuring that changes in one application are reflected in the other. Word and PowerPoint. While less direct, Smartsheet supports these applications through file attachments. Attach Word documents and PowerPoint presentations to rows or sheets in Smartsheet, maintaining version control and centralizing all project-related files. Proofing. Smartsheet's proofing feature can be used to gather feedback and approvals on Word documents or PowerPoint presentations, centralizing review cycles. OneDrive and SharePoint. Cloud attachments. Directly attach files stored in OneDrive or SharePoint to your Smartsheet rows, ensuring that documents are always linked to the relevant work item. This eliminates the need for duplicate files and ensures everyone works from the latest version. 2. Microsoft Power Platform Integration, Automation and Insights. The Microsoft Power Platform, Power BI, Power Automate, Power Apps, offers powerful capabilities that extend Smartsheet's functionality. Power BI, for advanced analytics and data visualization. Data Connector. Power BI has a native connector for Smartsheet, allowing users to pull Smartsheet data directly into Power BI to create rich, interactive dashboards and reports. This is ideal for executives or stakeholders who need aggregated views of project portfolios or operational metrics across multiple Smartsheet assets. Embed Power BI reports. You can embed Power BI reports directly into Smartsheet dashboards using the Web Content widget, creating a centralized hub for all your critical information. Power Automate. Formerly Microsoft Flow, this is a key tool for workflow automation between Smartsheet and Microsoft products. Triggers and actions. Power Automate allows you to create custom workflows called flows, where an event in Smartsheet, e.g., a new row added, a row updated, can trigger an action in a Microsoft application, e.g., send an email in Outlook, create an event in Calendar, update an Excel spreadsheet. Conversely, an action in a Microsoft app can trigger an action in Smartsheet. This enables powerful, no-code automation for a vast array of business processes. Power Apps. For custom business applications, developers can build custom Power Apps that interact with Smartsheet data, creating tailored solutions for specific workflows or data entry needs, often integrating with other Microsoft services. 3. Microsoft Azure Active Directory Azure AD for security. For enterprise-level organizations, security and user management are paramount. Smartsheet integrates with Azure AD, now Microsoft Entra ID. 4. Single sign-on. SSO users can log into Smartsheet using their existing Microsoft credentials, simplifying access and enhancing security through centralized identity management. User provisioning. Automate the provisioning and deprovisioning of Smartsheet users based on their Azure AD accounts, ensuring that user access aligns with company policies. The strategic advantage for project management. From a project management standpoint, the deep integration between Smartsheet and Microsoft offers several strategic advantages. Reduced friction. Teams can work within the tools they are already familiar with, minimizing the learning curve and resistance to new software adoption. Enhanced collaboration. Communication and task management become more seamless when integrated with widely used platforms like Microsoft Teams and Outlook. Data consistency. Syncing data between Smartsheet and Excel or Power BI ensures that everyone is working from the latest, most accurate information. Automated workflows. Power Automate integrations save significant time on repetitive tasks, allowing project managers and teams to focus on higher value activities. Centralized visibility. Dashboards and reports that pull data from both Smartsheet and Microsoft sources provide a holistic view of projects and business operations.